Hello again, I am Dan Zaitsev, the founder and CEO of Getsend, a payment collaboration platform designed for digital businesses. It helps you to receive payments for the work you've done online, fast, simple and secure. Today we continue a series of lessons where we walk through our platform and explain more information about our core features. In our previous video, we explained how your clients can receive files from you and pay you using cryptocurrencies. Today, we're gonna talk about how digital freelancers, creators and contractors can withdraw their profit using cryptocurrency to any wallets. First of all, let me share my screen with you. As you can see, this is the dashboard of a digital creator. And here we have a section with different balances. Previously, I received $20 that my client sent me using cryptocurrency. And here you have a separate section where you can check your crypto balance. Now I would like to withdraw it. I have simply click that withdraw button. Then I have to select the payout method. I'm gonna use cryptocurrency. Then you are able to select different cryptocurrencies that you prefer, such as USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, BUSD, and so on. We currently support more than 10 different cryptocurrencies. Moreover, here you can choose different networks. Today I'm gonna use USDT via Tron network. You have to double check your address. You can update your existing address, or you can add here a new address and so on. Then you have to click continue. Then you can discover all the information, all the fees and so on. So Getsend charges a flat fee, 1% of flat fee. But please keep in mind that our partnered payment provider may take some additional fees. But anyway, we display all information transparently here. So today I will select and confirm everything like it is and click confirm. Okay, that's it. So my money, my cryptocurrency has been sent to my crypto wallet. You can use any crypto wallets such as Binance, Trust Wallet, KuCoin, wherever. It could be centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, wallets and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and social media networks, and see you soon. Bye.